Papatay talaga yan. Mindanao.
So thank you, Mr. President. In the course of the hearings, doon nga natin i-establish bakit nga walang pang-operation ang police. So yun
Wala
ang ating,
talaga yan.
yun ang ating,
Wala
tatanungin
talaga.
ngayon natin yan. Pero, can we excuse the President? Okay. Sige, Mr. President, by unanimous position, you are now excused from the hearing. Mr. Thank you for
Sir.
attending. Thank you na, sir. Gusto na po kayong ipa-relax po, Mr. President.
Ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos na makarating dito and I can talk publicly. Alam na mga lahat ng mayors yan.
I would like to excuse the President
Yes, okay.
from
Ayaw ko kasi there are so many questions that would be